Hello there. I'm Nafi and this is my channel TMN. Today I'm going to show you how to refresh your PC 1000 times in one click. Refreshing is good for speeding up your PC. But it often gets annoying to refresh your PC several times. So I'm going to show you a trick to refresh your PC 1000 times with one click. So let's get going. First of all, open your notepad and type the following thing. Then click Save As and name it as refresh.bat. Now it will become a .bat file. So click it to refresh. Enjoy and don't forget to subscribe.